Hi, I'm Alex Rodriguez with Poolsmith Technologies. Today we're doing a quick installation video for you guys to make things easier. I want to talk a few things about the unit itself. Number one, every unit is going to come with an adhesive chart in here. Don't forget to stick that right in there. That's going to have your 3-digit code setting. So for example, this customer that we're installing today, they have a 15,000 gallon pool. I'm going to look at my chart here. The code is 180. I'm going to put in the code right here in the face in the infusion setting. You're going to put a 3-digit code 180 there. Just remember to make sure the unit's off and it's on standard mode before installation. A couple of quick things. Here's your flow meter that we're going to adjust our flow once we install it to the flow rate that we need, just so you know a couple of things on the system. And then underneath are all your hookups. If you look from left to right, it's power. When you look at your instruction manual, you see this one goes to the regulator with the tanks. This is for the injector, and this last one here is for the pressure plug. Your installation manual tells you exactly how to do it, but I just wanted to point it out real quick. These units need to be close to power because we have to plug them in. So in this homeowner here, I'm gonna look for a good spot right here. I'm gonna set it up, I'm gonna install it real quick. We're gonna just drill 2 holes right to get the installation in, and we'll be right back. I'll show you how that looks when it's done. Okay, so we finished mounting the control unit. Now, next thing we want to do is find where you want to put your tanks. So we got a triple configuration here. The homeowner got some pavers, so we got them nice, even, steady balance. We're going to mount the regulator now. A couple of quick tips. These, they come with washers inside your packet. When you receive it, don't forget to put your washers in here. A lot of people make that mistake, okay? It's very important. All right, we're gonna go ahead and mount this configuration, and we'll show you right back how it looks when it's all done. These are just screw in. Just don't forget to put the washer in there. When you're done, a nice good torque with the wrench. Okay, we got our tanks hooked up. Again, don't forget, use your wrench, give it a nice good snug, nice and tight. Leave your valves closed for now. We're gonna come back to this, okay? Okay, so next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna connect our injector. Our injector is this long one. You can tell the difference. And this is our pressure plug. This one right here is hollow. This is our injector. Here's where the bubbles come through, okay? So remember, the injector goes right here on the suction side. There's a drain plug right on the bottom of your pump. Under this plastic tip, that's where this injector goes. It's gonna go right here, okay? We're gonna just hand screw it in nice and tight, and then there's another drain plug right behind it. That's where the pressure plug's gonna go. This one's a bit smaller. You can get it hand tight, but if you still get a little leak of water coming out the bottom, just take a 9/16 wrench and get it snug. So we're gonna go ahead and connect these, and then we're gonna run our lines. We're gonna run our lines from the tank, from the injector, from the pressure plug, and we're gonna connect everything to the unit, okay? So here, all our systems will come with your black tubing that you'll connect everything with. That's what we're doing now. We just put in the injector and the pressure plug, and now we're gonna connect all our lines to the unit. Remember, these, very easy. All you gotta do is push them right in, and make sure you push them in nice and tight, and that's connected. If you wanna release it for any reason, you just push up and pull out. It's that simple. We're gonna run our lines. We'll show you everything hooked up here in a second. Okay, when you're doing your installation, some people like to use zip ties to keep it all nice and clean when you run your black tubing. Just remember, don't tighten it too tight because air has to go through here. So make sure you leave some slack in there. You don't want to pinch that off, very important. And then cut the excess off just so it looks good. Okay, so our installation, we're all done. We're all set. Last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna secure the tanks here to the wall. We're gonna show you that here in a minute. But the box is mounted. I got the power hooked up, which is the first one. Your next hookup right here is gonna be the regulator. That's the one that goes to the tanks. The one in the middle here is your injector. And then the one right here is your pressure plug, the smaller one, not the longer one, okay? If you look at your instruction manual, they're color-coded. They come with rings so you can put in each tubing, make it easier when you're doing your connections. Remember, push them in nice and snug till they're all the way in, okay? And now we're ready to start the system, all right? And your system, you're also gonna get this chain. It's awesome. We use that to secure the tanks. In this case, we're gonna secure them to the house. Now, some people do one long chain and they wanna secure all 3. I like to do them individually. When you do them individually, you just bring it right around here, and you're gonna secure these to the wall just like that. That way when you replace the tanks, you just slide them up and down, and this will keep them from tipping over in case there's wind. And that completes the installation. If you have any questions, always refer to your installation manual. Or you can give us a call at 480-570-5716 or send us your question online at poolsmith.com. Thank you again for purchasing our system, Organic pH. We truly believe you're going to love it. Remember, created by Mother Nature, developed by Poolsmith.